In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debug code with Grok AI, step by step 2026. We'll walk through getting to Grok, opening a chat, and using smart prompts to isolate and fix bugs fast. First, open your favorite browser and head to grok.com. That's the home of Grok AI. Make sure your internet connection is stable and your browser is up to date, so responses load quickly and code blocks render correctly. If you have an account, sign in. Logging in isn't required, but it lets you save your chats, revisit fixes later, and keep your debugging history in one place. If you prefer to try it out first, you can continue without signing in. On the homepage, you'll land right where Grok AI is ready to help. You should see a clean workspace with previous chats if you're logged in, and a fresh conversation if you're not. Everything you need to start debugging is right in front of you. Look toward the bottom of the main screen and you'll find the chat bar. This is where you'll paste code and describe the problem. Before you share anything, remove secrets like API keys, tokens, and passwords. Keep only what's needed to reproduce the issue, such as the specific function, configuration, or test that fails. To begin, type a clear request such as, "Help me debug this Python function." It throws index error on line 24 when the list is empty. Then paste the smallest code snippet that reproduces the problem, mention the language and version, and include any error messages and the behavior you expect. The more precise you are, the better Grok's first pass will be. Grok will respond with likely causes, suggested fixes, and often a corrected code sample you can try immediately. If the first answer doesn't hit the mark, ask again for more detail. You can say, "Explain why this fix works," or "Show me a step-by-step plan to reproduce and verify the bug," or "Propose an alternative that keeps time complexity near O(n). Request unit tests, edge case checks, or a diff against your original snippet. If something is unclear, ask for a line-by-line walkthrough or a beginner-friendly explanation so you're not just patching the issue but truly understanding it. Keep iterating. Paste updated code, run it locally, and report back results like new errors or failing tests. Grok improves with that feedback and can refine the solution until the bug is fully resolved. When you're satisfied, save the conversation for future reference and commit the working change in your project with a clear message. That's it. Open Grok, describe the issue, iterate with precise feedback, and ship the fix confidently.